Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can see your Facebook memories, basically the posts and the videos and the status that you have posted a couple years ago that you can simply go ahead and check today. So basically what you have to do in order for you to go ahead and do that is go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device, and now simply go ahead and tap on the top right triple lines icon right over here. And once you have done that, if you scroll down, as you can see, there is going to be a memories tab right over here. As you can see, all you have to do is just tap on memories. See, as you can see, I don't have any memories currently because I don't have that much posted, but basically it will show you all your memories right over here. You can simply scroll down, and there is also another method that you can go ahead and check, and that is going to be by going into your settings and privacy, going to settings, and then scrolling all the way down until you see activity log, and simply tapping on this your post tab, and then tap on photos and videos. And here also you can see all your old photos and things that you have posted, but the easiest method is going to be by tapping on the memories icon right over here. And for me there is no memories, but it is going to show you your memories. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.